Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS TUF Gaming GT302 ARGB chassis. So friend, this is the case that makes it easy to build a high performance PC with great cooling, prepared and ready for great out of the box cooling, equipped for wide compatibility with high performance parts, thoughtfully constructed inside and out for an PC DIY experience. So friend, most PC builders go big on cooling to ensure an excellent balance of performance and quiet operation. So friend, the TUF Gaming GT302 ARGB gives you a super foundation for high-end cooling, and they start with the front panel designed first and foremost to maximize airflow efficiency. It is constructed of a wide open, high porosity square type mesh that leaves ample room for fresh air to enter a PC. 4 pre-installed 140 mm RGB cast fans move cool air through the chassis, and these fans are exceptionally thick, measuring 28 mm in depth, and the fans delivers up to 3 mm H2 steady pressure and 115 CFM airflow for excellent cooling with quiet operation. And friend, it also has enough elbow room to install large liquid cooling radiator of up to 360 mm, and the top panel is fully detachable, so it's easy to install and clean the radiator. And friend, the options are wide open. It is two-way PCIe mount can be used. Install a graphics card in a horizontal orientation up to 407 mm long, and there is a long enough to handle even the mighty ROG Strix GeForce RTX 4090. If you opt for a vertical orientation, cards is up to 125 mm thick can be installed. And friend, bigger motherboards are on the menu too. It can feed motherboards all the way up to extra large E-ATX board, or you can looking install a large array of storage drive. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.